industry, so he knows this business inside and out.
Hey, I just want to remind you about the power of social media. Okay, we can do YouTube videos, we can do Facebook live videos, we can do Instagram videos, we can just do posts on Facebook, we can do posts on social media. Okay, in this business, let's say you're trying to sell a property. Okay, if you post it to your social media, your Instagram or your Facebook, or you do a video walkthrough and then you post that video to YouTube, share the link with people. Put it in your emails, put it in your text messages. Okay, do social media. One of the things that I've done is I like to do Facebook Live videos, and then what I'll do in the comments, I'll have a way for them to sign up for my buyers list. So more and more buyers sign up on my buyers list every day just with one simple post or one simple video. So use social media to your advantage, okay? Social media is a really easy way to find buyers. It's a really easy way to find deals. So look on social media. Don't just scroll through and waste time. Don't go on the toilet and go through Instagram and scroll through Instagram and scroll through YouTube and Twitter and all that stuff. No, use it as a business tool. Use social media as a business tool. Okay, post your deals, find your deals, use it to your advantage. Do video. Video is huge. People are not doing enough video. Do lots and lots of video and use it on your social media. So social media is a weapon. Social media is a tool. Social media is something you should be using in your business every single day, every single week. Social media will get you more deals, I promise you. Thanks for watching this. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.